Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are doing an unboxing of a KAP EDC spinner. So I am super excited. I have one already. I have one from KAP. I have the Tiny Collision. Tiny Collision. That was a bad spin. Tiny Collision. Tiny Collision. It's so cute. I love the Tiny Collision. Alright, so I have this already. Let me put this away. So now I am going to have the Tri Horizon. Yeah, from Kinetics Asia Pacific EDC. I am super excited, you guys. And the Horizon is in copper. So it's gonna be pretty. I am so excited. If you can't tell, my excitement is real. So let us open up this thing and jump right into it. Yeah. Let us figure out how to open this thing. I am just gonna do this because I don't oh no, there's too many layers. Where is the beginning and the end? The knife doesn't work. Let's try scissors. Okay. Oh, I'm taking off my label. So yeah, copper polished Tri Horizon. Man, I struggle, guys. Okay, I did it. It took me a minute, but I did it. All right, so moment of truth. Oop. Oh no, there's more packaging. Okay, so I also ordered okay, so it comes with. So I also ordered like a brass and ruby beads, but I guess I thought they came as sets, but instead I guess they came as singles. So yeah. So it also comes with before I actually opened the wow, it's only a Ziploc. It comes with an extra bearing, cleaning tool, sticker, and the card. Ooh, there we go. Tri Horizon, serial number 22, bearing type. That's cool. Material copper. maybe not. Oh, I'm excited, guys. Guys. Ah, it's heavy. Ugh. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow. Wow. That is just gorgeous. Wow. Whoa. Guys. It's amazing. The weight is just awesome. It just feels great. And the little ring to it, it just, oh man. This Tri Horizon. Oh, it's so cool. I love KAP. They really, this is just like, and they mail so fast too. It's like you order it and then it's at your door. I just, this Tri Horizon, oh man, it spins forever. Wow. Look at those warps. Oh, that's so cool. Wow. So cool. It's beautiful. I just have to again. The like initial warp thing is just so cool. Oh my god. I cannot stop. This is, it's just, man. It is gorgeous. I am so happy with this. I am so glad I got this. The camera just does not really fully capture how beautiful it is. Let me turn up. This is as bright as it gets. But it doesn't capture how beautiful it is. Like, how truly beautiful. I don't think so. I don't think it's fully captured. But let's see how it's weighty. $89. Compared to $22 on the dot. So 89 compared to 22. Warps. It's definitely a hefty one. Not as like heavy as I mean, I've heard some stories like of tungsten ones being like super heavy. Wee. That's cool. So yeah, this has been my unboxing of the Tri Collision in copper, polished copper. Man, I just cannot get over it. So yeah, this is it, the polished copper. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, this unboxing, and enjoyed my excitement as much as I have. Yeah, it was fun. Oh yeah, let's go over my silliness with these beads. Because I saw that they go in here, and I thought that that would be cool, so I ordered them. But like I said, I thought that they were sets. So derp. I only ordered 2. What am I gonna do with 2? That's not much. I gotta order more, I guess. The next time I order another spinner, I'll order the full set, because I can't do anything with these 2. It's just gonna look silly if I just put 1 or 2 in these. Yeah. Duh. Of course it wouldn't be a set, because how would they know which one am I ordering? Am I ordering a tri or what do they call the 2 one? A die? I don't know. But my brain didn't think of that, so I was a big dummy. So yeah, anyway, this is it. This is the end. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe for more content, more unboxing, more reviews. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys. Have a great one.